our new visor. So I'll be installing the visor now on our Fat Boy show. I'll show you how to install everything in this. Most of you would have seen it, but still, those who haven't, you can definitely check out. So I've kept everything ready. So the box is over there. Suppose that we'll install it, thinking whether to take it in the ground and install it, or should I put it in the basement. So I thought, why not do it in the basement? Easy for me to keep everything instead of going to the ground or getting used to what I'll show you guys once I start one time. So chala then, catch you guys in the video. So let me place the camera over here so that we can install this. So let's just quickly remove this one. So we need to use the stabilizer, guys. Make a drill to fix these, or else it will be very difficult. So yeah guys, done with the fittings. So this is how the number plate looks in the extender. So tighten the screws over here. There are 2 screws over here, and one small mistake what I did was my visor nut, the one which comes over here, has been broken. So I need to fix that one and fix the wind stabilizer over here, like this something. So it looks like something like this over here, and from the front it looks something like this. Nice and nice, like I really love it. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I need to put some that old stickering, Godka stickering over here, and then some YouTube logos. So yeah, this is how the bike looks now. So after the fittings. Yeah guys, that's the installation video of my new visor for the Fat Boy. I guess you would have liked it if you would have liked this video. Do hit the like button, share button and the subscribe button. Also don't forget to hit the bell button so that you'll be getting my latest video update instantly. And yeah, Now the pending is we have to do stickering for the visor. That's because the visor looks so bland, so we have to do that. So that would be my maybe next work when we do the stickering. So yeah, that's all about this video, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.